So that will be the 280 passenger model. Correct, yeah. Could it be ready sooner? I guess I could wait. Oh, that's a little bit more expensive than I thought. Okay, that'll have to be on credit. Um, no, I just checked. I have an excellent credit score. What do you mean? How did I get this number? Can I buy the jet or not? Hello? Hello? So apparently having great credit means nothing when you're looking to buy a passenger jet. And used as well, like, come on. Guess that's another setback in my holiday retreat side hustle. The sweet shores of Lake Winnipeg will have to wait, I guess. What's a credit rating, you ask? Good question. This is gonna sound a little unbelievable, but it's kind of a secret file that lenders have on you. Well, not too secretive, because you can have access to it through requesting a credit rating report. How does this file get started? Well, the moment you apply for a loan, be that through a financial institution with maybe a credit card or a car loan, or maybe you financed a new couch through a store, after inadvertently falling asleep on your best friends with a tall glass of shockingly staining Blueberry Blast energy mix, well, that financing is a loan and a strain on your friendship. It was just so very blue. Anyway, once you start, it's important to maintain a good credit rating because, not surprisingly, lenders want to know how reliable you are paying back your debts. Someone with a good credit rating will typically be approved for loans more often and sometimes with better interest rates. Here are a few ways to maintain a credit rating. Whenever possible, pay bills on time. Can't stress this enough. Borrow only what is needed. Why pay interest on money that you're not using? Try maintaining a lower balance. If a credit card balance is constantly hovering around the maximum, it can lower a credit rating. Lastly, don't just move debt around. While paying off credit card debt by using another credit card might feel like a jaw-dropping loophole, it can lower a credit rating. So how is this mysterious rating system rated? Well, through a rating system, of course, though it's more like a scorecard of various ratings. My brain hurts. Just watch this. So, there are two main ways that your credit is rated. Through an R&I rating or a FICO score. The latter is a number between 300 to 900 and represents a snapshot of a credit rating. That score is derived through a secret mathematical formula developed by Fair, Isaac & Company, hence FICO, though it does sound more like a hit reggaeton album. When creditors send info to the credit bureaus, they get a FICO score. Looks something like this. When someone borrows money, the lender, whoever that may be, assigns a rating that becomes part of their credit history. Depending on the type of loan, this rating will fall into one of two categories, R or I. The R ratings are for revolving credit, like a credit card or a line of credit, while the I ratings are loans you pay back in installments over a period of time. Things like cars, boats, tuition, mortgages, passenger jets maybe? These ratings follow a 9-point scale, from 0 to 9. This 0 stipulating that someone is too new to rate, and 9 being bad debt that's never been paid back. Wherever possible, it's important to avoid bad debt. The goal is to never venture beyond a 1 rating, meaning payments have been made on time. The scale breaks down somewhat like this, only getting worse the closer you get to 9. So, in summary, credit ratings. The goal is to have a good one, not a bad one. It'll just make things easier and make those future big ticket purchases a bit more attainable. Also, take it from me. Maybe start small, a blender or something, or maybe a 2-seater twin prop. Yeah, that could work. Nah, you should probably stick with the blender. I probably put these up a bit prematurely. One day. Oh well.